Hello, James here, and I want to talk about car phone holders and why they're not all built the same. I have this one, which is the old one that I had, and it was off a website, and it was fairly cheap. And so after fairly much usage, the actual thing broke off. So if you look at the unit here, what has happened is, because I've been trying to take this off the phone off from this unit, it's actually peeled away and it's exposed all the forks, which isn't ideal. And yeah, so this thing was a bit knackered. I decided to go on Amazon because I needed a quick turnaround as I was heading on the trip to the Fully Charged Live show, and I found this company called Humixx, and they actually supply this product called the Humixx Easy Clip, and it basically fits into the slats into your air vents. I needed to know that this was a good product and it wasn't just going to fall apart on us once I get it. So I had a communication with them, and they basically decided to send me out this sample to test and review for them. So I have here, I might as well do the unboxing because everyone knows how much I love unboxing. So this comes in gold, rose pink and black. I think it's rose pink. It looks like rose pink. And this box is amazing because all you really need to know, it's recyclable. So that's that done. So we have inside is some discs and also these sticky pads, and it's also applied with the 3M sticky tape backing. It's very thin actually, so you could actually put it in the back of your phone, and you get two of them. So I've applied one on the inside of this iPhone case with this iPhone. And for the main product itself, this is what it looks like. It looks like something that you'd plug your wine with, but I can assure you that it is not. So this has a little slot here. If you can see it, there we go. There's a slot there, and basically that goes in here like so. So now with this iPhone, with the metal plate at the back, you can see that it sticks on quite easily in that direction. My other phone, which is an Android phone, so I've got the metal plate at the bottom here, and just to show you that it does work for that, yeah, on the inside of the silicone case. But what I do like about this is actually quite heavy. This product here is actually quite a heavy product, and also it has a swivel head to it. So this head here actually swivels around. So unlike the old one that I had, which is this one, which is stuck on, it doesn't actually move in any way. Well, apart from this moves off this. But if you put your phone on here, you'll see that the air vents will start dropping down because it's quite heavy. But what I do like about this is you can actually swivel it around, so you can have it towards me, or you can swivel it that way towards you, or you can swivel it down to stop some glare. On the Leaf, when you plug it in, it's actually sitting away from this edge here, and with the previous one, because it was actually quite low set, this would keep on bouncing off the actual metal bit of this console and cause a rattling sort of noise, which is quite annoying. So I think if you've seen some of my other videos, I had the phone on an angle just to stop that noise. So at least with this, you can actually rotate it any way you want, and it's actually really sturdy. If you wanted to, you can actually even rest it on here, on this metal bar here, and create yourself a new infotainment system. The other reason why I quite like it here is if I switch the car on, is that sometimes when you have your phone, it gets really hot, so you can actually put the aircon on and blast it into the back of the phone and cool it down. So that was another nice feature when I was doing the videos down to the Fully Charged Live show, as my phone was getting quite hot sometimes doing the different sort of like road trip stuff and helping me with my filming. So all in all, I think this product's actually really good for the money. It's just premium quality. It's really strong magnet to it, and it rotates, and it actually feels like quality. It has a really good weight to it as well. So the question is, would I recommend the Humixx Easy Clip? And the answer is, actually hold on a second. But I shouldn't have thrown this away. So if you're after a premium phone mount for your Nissan Leaf, then I'd recommend the Humixx Easy Clip, because it does what it says on the tin. It easily clips on. So all the description's down below, and if you found this review useful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.